Welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we have a Mercedes SL 500. This is the R230 chassis. And the issue we have here is with this convertible top is that it opens fine. You can close the top part, but then the trunk lid gets stuck in the open position. So we're going to go over 3 really common issues that can cause that and what you need to check. So the first thing, we're going to operate the top so you can see exactly what's happening. You can see the top is operating normally. That's closing. And see where the issue now. That's stuck right there. The trunk lid, it's stuck in that open position. If you operate the switch to control the top, you can hear the pump run, okay? So the pump is not an issue. If the pump was the problem, I mean, nothing is gonna move. The top is not gonna close or open at all. So usually that's not the case. The pump is not usually what causes that issue that we're dealing here. Let's first look at the first thing that goes bad. Now if we look closely, we have these flaps right here. You see that one? And you see the one on that side. That is completely closed shut. You can see it's really close to trunk lid. This one over here, it is not completely shut. And right here, if this is not completely closed, it needs to be right up there. If it's not, if it's down like this at all, even a little bit, we have a micro switch right here that tells the convertible top module that this flap is closed. So if this is hanging down, that switch is open, the operation is gonna get stuck. It's gonna stop right there. The other issue, there's another switch that can prevent the top from operating. Let's go take a look at it. Right here, we are on the passenger side. Right here at the top. Now we do have the cover on, but similar to the micro switch we have back there, there's a S69/1 limit switch, similar switch to the one on the back, of course, and it goes right here. And what that does, it tells the control module that this part of the top is closed. If that doesn't work, if that switch is not working properly or it's stuck, then the control unit, the convertible top control unit, will think that this is not fully closed, so it's gonna stop the operation. Okay, so that's the second common issue. And then right here is the third, but this is much less likely to happen. We got a cylinder here, lift cylinder, hydraulic cylinder. This is what operates this trunk to open that and close it. But you want to check that, make sure it's not leaking, you're not losing any pressure or anything like that. So that's the third thing you are going to check. So those are the most common issues. Of course, if it's none of these, especially these are easy to check because all you have to do is push these back and then you can go and actually operate the convertible and close it just fine. But if it's none of those, then you need to read the codes. We have another tutorial on how to read Mercedes-Benz fault codes, but you need to read the fault codes from the convertible top module. And thank you for watching.